Hi everyone and welcome to the video. In this video I'm just going to show you how to change your Fasthosts admin user password through the Fasthosts control panel, and you can only do this through the Fasthosts WordPress hosting package. As one of the benefits, just makes it nice and easy if you forget. So to start we need to log into our control panel. So I'm on fasthosts.co.uk here, and just go to login, and it's the control panel login you want. And then for this bit we're just using our Fasthosts username and password rather than our WordPress one. Once you're logged into the control panel, go across to WordPress hosting. And I've got a few packages in my account, so you might not see the screen if you get taken straight through to your hosting package. It might just be because you've only got the one. But if you've got lots, just click Manage Site next to the one you need to change the password for. And once that's loaded, we're going to see in this little tile here, we've got the admin username, and we can just change our password here. Just enter your new password. And change password. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just show you what happens when you go through. So it says your WordPress administrator password has been updated. It's normally really quick, but I would just say if it takes anything up to 10 minutes, don't worry. Anything sort of after that, probably contact support. But I mean, like I say, it's normally pretty instant. And that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.